after the pandemic happened, I've been more busier than before because, of course, there's been a need for digital content. I mean, every brand is going digital, which is what I'm doing currently. Early on in my life, I can remember I was always inclined towards all things art. Also, my family background is also very artistic because my grandfather was a painter, my father is a painter, my aunt is a painter. So I think that really inspired me to take this on as a profession. And then I knew very early on in my life that I wanted to do design. So as soon as I finished my 10th grade, I actually did a course in visual communication from BD Somani. And that was a 3-year course, and then followed by Ecole Influence Lab for 4 years right after. So for me, I actually discovered design and like my passion in 2017 when I was finally on my honeymoon at the Bahamas, and I realized that I am finding joy in creating compositions and taking aesthetic photographs. So that's when I kind of started this aspect of my journey, which is very much kind of inclined towards designing, and it's kind of interconnected. And then I came back and I realized that this is something that's coming very naturally to me. And then I connected the dots that it's because of what I studied at design school. And thereafter I actually just never looked back, and I decided to pursue creative styling, which is just an extension of design as a full-time career. Couple of friends at the BD Somani, I got to know about the college through them. And I feel like definitely, I mean, it was actually a very rigorous course. While we were studying, it was a little bit intense, but now looking back, I feel like it helped me so much in what I'm currently doing, because right from the faculty, like the teachers that we had were so very interactive, they were so guiding, and everything that I learned, right from design principles to color theory to each and everything that I learned at school, is something that I apply in my work today. And a lot of actually followers on Instagram keep DMing me how I got into this, how I studied, I mean what course that I studied and everything. And I had a couple of followers actually went on to do design as a course at Ecole. My passion kind of lied in creating aesthetic compositions, and that's when I realized that I want to take up product styling. And someone from MyGlam at that time, a friend of mine, reached out to me saying that why don't you style a project for us. And it's something that I'd never done before, but I knew that it's something that does come naturally to me because of my design background. And I decided to give it a shot, and it was a 14-hour shoot. I realized that this is something that I love doing, and then I've never looked back ever since. And then I started product styling as a full-time career. And in 2020, I actually decided to start a company, because of course the need for digital and content creation is literally booming right now. And I decided that it's now time to have a team. So now we are a team of about, say, 6 to 7 people, and we've been working with clients like L'Oreal, Anita Dongre, HUL, to name a few. I think a key message would definitely be that, don't limit yourself at all. That's something that I didn't realize while I was at design school, but now that I'm doing something which is just an extension of design, I realize that, broaden your horizon and just keep thinking creatively, do something and do something else out of it, and then make it your own and follow your own path. So I feel like creativity has no limit, and that's something that you should keep in mind.